So we are, I guess we're officially topped out. Congratulations. As promised, I was going to open and close this door. So we've only got 2 of the hinges in. We're going to do 3. But you can see, and he did this with the planer. He beveled this edge with the planer. The reveal is even, but I think it needs to be a little bit more. The bottom looks good, and then you can see the hinges are hidden. Pretty cool, huh? And, can you push this open again, Noe? You go in there and close it from the inside, all right? Here we go. That's what it looks like. Okay, all right, that's good. I'm not sure how much of a reveal we should have here because things are going to sweat, they're going to expand and contract. That is what the proper reveal is there. Not just by eyeballing, it looks kind of tight. It looks like more because it's not a bevel like this, but it's a bevel corner. It's not beveled in like this, so that's kind of nice too. Yeah, I don't know if we want to take more off or not. Good afternoon, everybody. It is November the 13th, lucky 13, 12 noon. The guys are all this is the new guy, I think. It's our new painter. 2 new guys. Right? 86 is the temperature. Real feel 98. Okay, so here we are. So we have got. This is how it looks. I'll move back. And here we are. This is the side of the house. And Noe says he was installing a door, so we'll get over there and take a look at that. Good afternoon. Talking about putting it up at the driver's bathroom, which is here. Let's see the tools. Oops. Some of these things on the ground. Okay, so he has got 2 of our 3 hinges in. I wonder how they work. I don't want to fool with this door. Well, you can see here is the okay, there's the, so I bought this new router, which is brutally expensive, cordless, 3/4 inch chuck, and it goes along with our other Makita we've invested in. But that looks pretty cool, don't you think? I want to play with it. Okay, so this is interesting too, because I know that our doors are supposed to be beveled. And I don't have a little tri-square that I call them to check these doors for squareness or a bevel. But no, he has put a bevel on here. Okay, on both sides. That's interesting. And he has used the router to do that, so that's actually should be a nice feature. It'll help the door close better. It'll settle. The reveal should look good. It's hard to tell. Darn, these are nice. This looks good. I like these doors. Solid core. You know, they don't come pre-hung like we do in America with the hinges and the cutout for the door knobs. And so we're gonna have to cut out the door knobs and cut into here, get those things out. But they're nice, look real nice. So, okay, let's walk around here. I'm not really sure. I've called 2 waterproofers. One came out. He just won't get his price done. I need waterproofing on our roof deck, and I need waterproofing around our cistern. I won't subject you to the same path I always take. I don't remember if this wall was partially plastered when I was here last or not, but it is now. Looks pretty good. Like I said, we've got a new painter. He's also doing or an additional painter on top of the one that we had. He's also doing what they call the skim coat. It's not plaster, it's cement. Looking pretty good. Like our window openings. Lots of light in here. And these windows open. I got a message yesterday from our window company. They're going to make the windows and they will install the windows. And it was a group message. But they notified us that they had some flooding from the typhoon at their warehouse where they manufacture the windows. So I hope our windows did not get damaged. And I hope that doesn't put them way behind schedule. But I know they're still dealing with it. It's pretty good in here. We still got our headers. We're going to cut those out. Both of these closets, so we have storage above. And here we go. And I forgot, we decided that we were going to lay the C-channels on their sides. So we just gained some more inches in the inside and below this patio enclosure. And this is outside the study. The study is right. This is outside. We're outside the study right now, and this is where the patio cover is going to be. If you can see me, This is going to be the low point, I think. And I think we're going to be up about 4 inches maybe higher on the outside. So that's how much ceiling height we're going to have from top of my finger to the these C channels, I think. Yeah, we won't have to fur these down much at all. So a little bit limited on our height. I wish we had a little bit more, but we do have a requirement to stay under. Well, let's see here. I think that's about it. We'll take a look. This is our roof.